This video will walk you through the steps for using your calculator to find the 5-number summary. The following is a simple random sample of student weights in pounds. Find the 5-number summary. First, we'll enter the data into one of the lists of our calculator, Stat, followed by Edit, and you'll notice the data has been entered into L1. Then we'll go back into the Stat menu, so Stat, to the right to the Calculate submenu, and select option number 1 for one variable stats. No matter which operating system we have, we must tell the calculator what list to do the computation on, followed by the enter. Then we'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and the last 5 output are the 5-number summary. So the minimum data value, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum data value. I'll scroll here to the end of this problem that has been walked through for you in print, and we notice that each of these has been recorded. Now the minimum and maximum data value do not have a symbol to use before the answer, but we notice that quartile 1 is a capital Q with a subscript 1, quartile 3 is a capital Q with a subscript 3, and the median has always had the symbol of X tilde. Please take note that each one of them does use the appropriate units, and this must be done at all times.